welcome to my channel. My name is Krishnamohan. What if the door in front of you doesn't open not because you don't have a key, but because your behavior wrong? Don't Look Back, a short psychological hallway horror game where the environment reacts to you. So there is no combat and no traditional puzzles, no key to collect. Every door here unlocks when the game decides you are ready. And you still have to collect items and you still have to find some, but not traditional keys because I don't want to give traditional because every horror game have it. Instead, you have to do something in front of door, it will open, or you have to collect something you have to open. It will not be a huge puzzle like collect this item, do that, like that. In this game, progression is controlled by how you move, how long you wait, how fast you panic, and sometimes by what you refuse to look at. Some doors only open when ignored, some require patience, others react directly to fear itself. This space is watching you, listening to you, adapting to you. Above the screen is a fear meter, which is in top left. Fear increases when you stand in darkness, stay too long, rush faintly, or stay too close to water stalking the salt. And fear isn't just cosmetic. It changes door behavior, enemy aggression, sound, lightning, even reality itself. Managing fear is the real challenge. There are enemies here, but survival isn't about shooting or hiding in a locker. This is not Resident Evil. There is no locker to hide also. Looking too strong, turning around at the right moment, or react impulsively can make things far worse. Sometimes the safest thing you can do is keep moving forward. This is a short horror game experience, which is a demo available right now, which is in link in description. And if you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Game demo is link in description. Join my Discord to share your feedback. And if you can donate, you can directly donate me. Or if you want to donate me monthly, please join any of Patreon. Please join Patreon and you can support monthly with rewards included. And thank you guys. I'll see you in next video.